This begins with MAVIS MCCREADY, arms crossed, ready to rock and roll, and safety first in that car seat. MAVIS, a big happy number 2 to you in Shanu. I wouldn't cross her.
It looks like she doesn't want to get out and go where they're headed.
She means business.
Yeah, that's a cute picture. Love it. Happy birthday, MAVIS. And happy birthday wishes going out to Andersynn CARR. Andersynn, I like that picture. Nice pose there. 12-year-old in Moran.
She has dingers right there.
You can tell.
Those are that bat.
She knows what's up.
That bat is merely an implement of destruction in the batter's box.
Love it.
Happy birthday, Andersynn. Jacob Tatum, now a teenager. It's Jacob celebrating his 13th birthday. Jacob, I want you to know that this comes with happy birthday love from the entire family. Jacob's in Joplin.
All right. Logan BREWSTER turning 20 years old. Happy birthday, Logan. Hope it's a great one this year. Love the bow tie.
I like that tie, man. I like that. Nate Thomas. Got a pair of 2s on the board for Nate, celebrating his 22nd birthday. Looks like out on the lake. Can't beat that. Nate's in Columbus.
All right, enjoying the lake. And Ben HUTTO, turning 31 years old this year. Got coordinating family colors going on there. Ben is in Columbus.
TRISHA PIKE. Very happy birthday to you, Miss Trisha. Long time no see. She's celebrating her 32nd birthday in Nevada.
Adam BALLOU turns 41 years old this year. Adam celebrating in Fort Scott.
It doesn't look a year over 38 right there in that picture. I gotta know who got him on that one. I wonder if it was family or, mom or something like that. That's good.
Oh, that's funny.
GERALD and SHIRLEY York and extended members of the KOAM family. They're celebrating their 68th anniversary, and this happens to be the grandparents of our own graphic artist, Will York, who we owe a debt of gratitude to because he's the one that puts together our birthday anniversary list every single morning, so probably very special for Will to be able to put a spotlight on his grandparents' anniversary. Congratulations to GERALD and SHIRLEY in Pittsburgh.
All right. What a great picture then. Lovely picture. Courtney Payne is celebrating birthday number 30 this year, the big 3-0 for Courtney. Doyle Schroyer, happy birthday to you. And Nancy Church turning 67 in Miami.
Tommy Baroff celebrating in Crestline. Tommy, a happy birthday to you. Bill Punch, he is turning 65. Bill's in the Ocho. And congratulations to Cliff and Carol Medley. They are celebrating their 56th anniversary. The Medleys, they are partying in Galena.
John Bishop turning the big
Well,
big 5-0 this year. John is in Pittsburgh.
Wait, what's up with that?
I don't know. Why we don't have a picture?
So John, I understand the school's not in session. I understand it's summer vacation. I get all that. That means you should have more time to find a picture. Don't worry, I'll take this up with him. I got this one.
All right.
He's like, no, it's summer vacation. I don't know. I'm good.
I wonder if he celebrated his birthday with the kids, with when all the other summer kids with birthdays celebrated in May.
No, somebody had to twist John's arm just to send this in. I know.
Yeah. All right.
Very, very humble man. Happy birthday, John.
Wally Ball in Carterville, happy birthday. And birthday wishes from the entire family going out to Bobby Coons, who's now 59 in Columbus.
Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all, whether you're celebrating on this July the 2nd or maybe July the 3rd. Maybe some of you have one that's coming up on the 4th if we did it today. If we didn't do it today, I know you'll send it in so we can get it in on Monday. And of course, this is how you send them in. A couple ways. You can go to email birthdays@koamtv.com. You can also go to koamnewsnow.com and click on the link and submit them this and that way. Remember, we were talking about Will York and everything. Do us all a favor, especially Will. Make sure you tell us specifically on what day you are celebrating. Now, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be part of the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up. And once you do, you'll get deals from local businesses. Go to koamnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.